Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. This is the Starcraft Solo 16-inch cutting machine. I am seriously so excited about this machine. It has some really awesome features that I can't wait to get into a little bit with y'all in this video. And if you don't know me, you might not know this, but I love Starcraft products. Every single Starcraft product that I have tested or used or tried or currently use blows it out of the park for me, and it meets my expectations and beyond. And I'm not just saying that, honestly. You can tell they put their all into their products and they make sure everything is the highest quality possible. And so I can't wait to see how that reflects into their Starcraft Solo machine. It is their first cutting machine. This has so many capabilities, so many features, and I'm sure you guys have been hearing about it, and it's gonna be really awesome. Thank you to my craft source for sending me this machine to test out and to try for y'all and to make some tutorials for you guys and to be able to just kind of see how it works and kind of learn with y'all, because it is a new machine, but I am very excited about it. So let's go ahead and get on into some of the features of this machine. So it is obviously a 16-inch wide cutting area, which is really awesome because a lot of the standard cutting machines out now only cut 12 inches wide. And how long this one can cut, I'm not exactly sure yet on the exact number, but I do know that it is very long and it is unlike anything you'll really ever need for a desktop cutter. You can also cut matless, or you can cut with a mat, and I like being able to have that option because with my business and with my vinyl cutting, I like to be able to have the option of cutting just off the roll or cutting on a mat. So that is an option you have with this machine, and it does include the mat in this box. Okay, so now reading off the back, it says it's quiet and fast, so the Starcraft Solo cuts fast and performs with the highest detail out there. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I heard that the precision cuts of this thing is state-of-the-art and amazing. The motor is as quiet as any personal cutting machine that you will find on the market today, so that's a really cool feature. It comes with multiple blades and attachments, so really anything you'll need for cutting various materials will be included with this. It says the standard blade offers high precision cuts. It included is a 60-degree blade, a 45-degree blade, and a pin tool with refill. It's a breeze to replace the blades and swap out attachments. Oh, this is another cool feature. So you're able to light your craft. So it has an LED strip in there that like you can change the colors based off of your mood. And I think that's really neat because I don't know if you guys are like me, but if I'm like working late at night or something, I like to like light a candle and put like different lights in here and just kind of like set the mood because like, I don't know, I like to do that. I'm sure a lot of you are like that too. So you're able to change the color of the LED strip on here to kind of just like get your creativity spinning. So that's a really cool feature about this machine. So it has a high resolution camera inside of the machine. It says our high resolution camera is a full color camera for performing incredibly accurate automatic print and cuts. Our camera makes for fast and easy calibration. It has an LED touchscreen, so a pressure sensitive 3.5 LED touchscreen that allows you to quickly navigate to your project as well as line up your work with precision. So that is what it says, and then it also says it's matless cutting. And then over to the side, it just says say hello to the most flexible and powerful desktop cutter around, the Starcraft Solo, with a high resolution camera for perfect print and cut images, a large 3.5 pressure sensitive touchscreen, and a 16-inch wide cutting ability. A multicolored LED strip lights the way for unlimited creativity. The Solo includes Starcraft Create, an open, easy-to-use design program that works with most machines. So I'm sure a lot of you are familiar if you have a cutting machine that they usually have softwares that are included. So this one has a software that is also included within itself. And I've heard that it is such an awesome software that you're able to do a lot that you have to normally pay for to get in the other programs. So that's really neat. 4 options for connectivity. It has a true USB, so you can plug it in that way. You can do the wireless standalone, so that's kind of like great when you're traveling and there's no Wi-Fi available. You can connect to your Wi-Fi, so it's easily connects with your home or office network, or you could use a USB flash drive with your material and your SVG files and things like that in the flash drive. You can just plug it up directly to your machine, so that's really cool. It said it is built tough, whether you're in need of a machine for hobby or commercial use, the Starcraft Solo is built to last. Constructed of high quality grade aluminum, only the vanity parts are made from injection molded plastic. Unlike most craft cutters available, Starcraft Solo is not disposable. Even if your machine suffers from a mechanical failure under warranty, there is nothing that can't be repaired or replaced, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So that just goes to show you guys, like, Starcraft is all about their products and making sure you get a high quality product. Okay, so we talked all about the features. Now let's go ahead and open up the machine. Okay, so when you first open up your machine, you're gonna have your cutting mat. And And here is our machine. Let's see if I can get it out here. All right, so inside of the little box you will obviously have your power cord and then your USB plug. So inside the bag you have your blade housing and the little tube. You have your pen tool and then your blades. So it comes with two 45-degree blades and one of the 60-degree blade. The 45 is the one that you will use the most often if you do like HTV and vinyl, and then the other is more like detailed intricate cuts and cardstock and things like that. So that is what is also included. And here's the other portion of our power cable. All right, so next is this machine. We're just gonna go ahead and cut these zip ties off. Just be really careful here not to cut anything but your zip tie. All right, so this machine is beautiful, is it not? It has a silver metallic look, and we're gonna turn it on in a minute and kind of show you guys the full effect of like the LED screen and stuff like that. But on the front, this is where your housing is, or your area where you put your blade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right up front. So we're gonna put that in here shortly. The LED screen is right here in front with the button, I'm assuming that turns it on and off. And then on the back of the machine, so this right here is the lock that goes up and down. And then here is like the clips that hold down your materials. That's important to me because I had another large cutting machine that had issues with holding the material down in place because I feel like the roller bar wasn't as good. So I feel like this is gonna be really good of like holding your material down. So that is what these black things in the back are for. But yeah, this is what the machine overall looks like. It is very nice and it's built very durable. It feels really well made. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug it up and get everything turned on. Okay, and then here on the side, you'll see that this is where you plug it in and this is where all of the various plugins are for the machine. All right, so let's go ahead and turn her on. Ooh, pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's blue. Okay, so right here on the options, we have set, recut, USB, stop, speed and force, and test cut. And then you have right here like arrows to go up and down and kind of readjust your area. So that's really neat. Let's see if we can get the colors to change. Okay, so this is really cool. So when you're wanting to change the LED screen, you just go to the set on the main menu, and then you go down to general settings, LED set, and you can change the RGB. So right here I can go down, let's see, I can go down with it, make it blue, up to pink, and then change the G up for turquoise, and then go back down for pink. I think I'm gonna do pink. And you can go like it seems like it can make so many different colors. This is awesome. Okay, so now that the lights are off, you can probably see it a little bit more. It totally lights up the whole area, and it's just so neat. You could totally make it any color that you could possibly imagine. You could make it like Christmas cup themed, so you can make it red, or you can make it green or blue. It's just so cool. I just love that. I have never seen that in a cutting machine, so that is honestly an amazing selling point for me. Like I said, you could totally set the mood for whatever your craft room colors are or whatever. That is just super neat to me. But beyond that, we just basically just scratched the surface of this machine. We talked about some of the main features and just the overall look and appearance of the machine. It is so durable, you guys. I wish that you could touch it and feel how durable this machine is. Like, it feels very well made. So I am excited to next get into more of the like our first cut with the machine, and we will talk about like how to put the blade in and set all that stuff up. So that'll be something that we get into next. So this machine is going to retail at $499 US, but I will tell you, if you use the Simply Sally 5 coupon code that I will link down below at my craft source, you will save 5% off of that, which I think is a really great deal on a machine like this. Like I said, the design software, the capabilities, the features of this machine are going to be well worth the price. So we will get into all that, like I said, in future videos, and we will kind of, I'll show you the ins and outs of this machine, and we will get more into details in that. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on the release date of this machine, and I will let you guys know kind of the details about that. It's definitely coming very soon. hopefully within the next month or two, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. Let me know down in the comments if this is a machine you're like super excited and ready for, or if it's something you're kind of waiting it out. I'm gonna kind of watch a couple tutorials or like see how it works before you take the plunge. Let me know down in the comments. I'm interested to know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.